who grew up to run one of the biggest car companies in the world.
The point about a business, any business, if you go in there and it's doing really badly, but you can't find anything